Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's Multicultural Astronomy, we continue our look at Chinese astronomy, and we'll talk about the astronomer Liu Xin and his contributions to astronomy. So let's get started. Astronomy doesn't just depend on what you observe. It depends on how reliably those observations can be shared, repeated, and used year after year. This raises an important question. How do you make astronomy consistent across an entire civilization? One of the people who tackled that challenge was Liu Xin. Liu Xin lived from 46 BCE to 23 CE during the later Han period in China. This was a time when astronomy had already developed rich traditions of observation, star cataloging, and sky mapping. But as the state grew larger and more complex, astronomy needed something more. It needed standardization. In ancient China, astronomy was deeply connected to the calendar. Calendars regulated agriculture, rituals, governance, and the perceived harmony between heaven and earth. Liu Xin played a major role in refining and preserving astronomical texts related to the calendar systems. His work helped ensure that dates were calculated consistently, celestial cycles were tracked accurately, astronomical knowledge could be applied reliably across generations. To do this, astronomy required more than observation alone. It required measurement. Liu Xin contributed to the refinement of length standards, volume measures, and numerical systems used in astronomical calculations. These mathematical tools weren't abstract exercises. They were essential for making astronomy precise and repeatable. In this way, Liu Xin helped transform astronomy from a collection of observations into a calibrated system. Liu Xin's legacy isn't about discovering a new star or mapping a new constellation. It's about making astronomy work consistently, predictably, and at scale. His efforts helped ensure that astronomical knowledge could be shared across the empire, could be trusted year after year, and could serve both scientific and practical needs. Liu Xin reminds us that astronomy advances not only through discovery, but through precision. Observation shows us the sky. Standardization allows us to understand it together. So that concludes this discussion on the astronomer Liu Xin. We'll be back again next week to talk about another Chinese astronomer. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.